Lastly, for fun, we're going to just look at the screen output for a user-defined type. As I mentioned, we just want to create more meaning when we instantiate one of our types, and we're going to do that by overloading the methods for the show function. So we're going to import base.show, and this is what we're going to do. We call show, and we again in curly braces say for all n and t, so those types of the values that we do pass, take for me an instance of the IO type, so small IO, which is be an instance of the type uppercase IO, an instance of my relook type of parameters n and t, and I'm going to assign to that the print function IO, which is print to the screen, an instance of this IO type, and then I'm going to concatenate these strings and values. So patient with, in quotation marks, comma n, comma, relook procedures totaling, comma, u dot duration minutes. And if I run an example of this, I'm going to call it patient underscore 6. It's going to be of a relook type 4, comma, 16-bit integer of value 60. If I now instantiate this type, instead of what we had above, it's now actually going to print to the screen patient with 4 relook procedures totaling 60 minutes. And that just allows us to just have a bit more description to an instance of any of our user types. So that is it for user-defined types. Very powerful stuff, and depending on what you are working on, what you need to do, you can create types and you can overload methods for functions using your types that really would make life a lot easier when working on various problems that you might have.